Baba Booey. Hey, yo, Tyler.
Baba
Tyler.
Booey.
Baba Booey.
Baba Booey.
Baba Booey.
Baba Booey.
Baba Booey.
Baba Booey. Oh
Baba
no,
Booey.
I need Wumpa coins.
Baba Booey. I am in 4th place. I need fuck my mother. Well, you ever just get fucked directly inside of the mother?
Keeps counting me as falling off the stage. Like if I hit the wall weird. And that's getting on my nerves.
Oh, my motherfucking mother. You don't understand how many times I've been in 2nd place, and the moment I'm about to hit 1st, I get fucked directly in the mouth.
Buddy, I've been in last this whole race almost.
Yeah, but at least you're doing bad the whole time. I'm like doing good and then doing
Dia,
bad.
die. Oh, I messed up.
Haha! Guess who didn't, bitch? Oh!
Guess who did, bitch?
That's instant fucking karma. I'll take 2nd place.
Wow, he's even got awful puns. He said, maybe you could beat me if you stop dragging your feet.
Huh. Dragon.
Get it? Because he's a dragon?
I'm gonna be dragging these nuts across your face. Why did it make you die so bad?
I was smoking. Dragging these nuts across your face.
This is the moment you have been waiting for.
Maybe you beat me if you stop dragging your feet.
Hey Jimmy, I want to drag my balls on your mom's forehead.
Drag.
Hey Jimmy, I really want to fuck your mom.
You turned him into a vagina.
Croissant. Croissant.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Hey Jimmy, I was just busy jerking my cock in your mom's bedroom. I was just getting my hard cock on with my hands.
Get my hard cock hard. Get my cock hard with your hand.
Suck my cock, cocksucker. Fuck you.
No, you need a big dick in your mouth.
Yes.
You cocksucker. You need a big
cocksucker.
A 15-inch jaw.
With a 4-inch red on it, Jimmy,
dude.
Fucking piece of shit.
Shit.
You fucking goddamn fucker.
You fucking fuckhead. Oh no, Jimmy Q, they've infected the frogs.
Oh no, Jimmy Coon. I accidentally spread the coronavirus.
No, I can't. You didn't go home in quarantine?
I'm sorry, Jimmy. Now we all gotta wear masks in public.
Mask. Jimmy, look, I've got a mask of your mom.
He's got a mask on your mouth.
Mom.
You need to stay at least 6 feet back, Jimmy.
Social distancing, Jimmy. We gotta stay away from each other. Shane, put down the Ultralord and put on your mask.
Shane, put down the Ultralord. We need to lower the curve, Jimmy.
Jimmy, what are you doing?
What are you doing, stepmom?
Oh, hi, Jimmy's man. I can't
Oh,
believe that you
no.
planted crabgrass all in my yard, Jimmy.
Oh no! It looks like I have to fix your plumbing, Mrs. Neutron.
Mrs. Neutron, can I work on your pipes?
Oh, I got a pipe for you, Mrs. Neutron.
Is there
There's nothing
another
way I
way
can pay for
pay
this large, extra large sausage, Mrs. Neutron.
Chad?
But why is she the fucking pizza delivery guy?
Wait, I don't know.
I'm gonna stick this banana right up Mrs. Neutron's ass. Just
She's
like
like,
this.
yes. I can't wait for me and Mrs. Neutron to sit down and play Lava Palooza together.
Lava I'm sitting here stroking my cock. I got lotion on my dick right now.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Think about cheese mouth, yo.
So my dick, yeah.
I want to suck that dick. You got a big dick. I want that dick in my mouth. Please come over. Please.
Yeah, yo, you want to go to Philly? Come on, I'll pick you up.
I'm Carl Wheezer. 3501 South Braeswood. I'm gay.
I feel all the blood rushing to my head, Carl.
I feel all the blood rushing to my cock.
Ooh, I had to breathe that one out or I would have coughed.
Say, do you have a joint?
No, yo.
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
Hey,
Edit the
you.
shit.
Hey, you.
Hey, John Madden. John Madden. Football. Jimmy, now I know I was wrong. I fucked your mom and now you're gone.
Boo,
Oh, Jimmy, come back.
boo, boo, boo.
Now, Jimmy, I know that you're mad, but I made her suck my cat.
Buddy, I got one for you.
Run it.
Jimmy, come back. We can blame it all on Sheen.
I think so far my fucking favorite was get my hard cock hard with your hand.
Yeah.
Put it in your fucking ass, suck my balls. Hey, Mrs. Neutron, stop sucking for a second.
Yeah, hey, stop sucking for a second.
Now from the top, make it drop. That's it, wet ass pussy. Get a bucket and a rock for this wet ass pussy. I'm talking whap, whap, whap on this wet ass pussy. Macaroni in a pot. That's a wet ass pussy. I want you to touch that little dangly thing that's stuck in the back of my throat. The best part is there's a fucking episode where they go in Carl's body.
Oh yeah, and he's like, "What's this punching bag thing?"
Yes.
Blizzard Bluff.
Blizzard. Yeah, I love Dairy Queen, Jimmy's mom. Let's get a Blizzard, Jimmy's mom, and we'll split it.
I'm gonna split you in half like a coconut, Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy, can I borrow $130 and I can go to Suki?
Hey, Shoki.
Hey, Suki.
Just imagine like someone with that frame walking into a Suki's. Yeah, I really want you to rub me down.
I wanted her to suck my cock, but because of coronavirus, she couldn't take her mask off.
That cannot go in the video.
You should at her work, I should at her house.
We're not the same. You be in her DMs, I be in her ear like, oh yeah, Jimmy's back. Oh my
Yo,
god.
Most guys be afraid to moan during sex. I'd be like, oh,
Croissant.
croissant. Yo, Jimmy's mad. You're ghost sniff this day.
You go sniff this shit. Jimmy's mom, come on, sniff it,
Yo,
yay.
it's not a fucking question. You ghosted me
This is
today.
Jack. Wow. Supercharged.
Yeah, I got supercharged with child pornography.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey FBI, I'm a fictional character, so you can't arrest me.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh no. Hey, Hachi-san. It looks like you
No.
killed your wife.
Of course, it can't be a video on my channel without some fucking Tekken on there, right?
Yep.
Shabaka. Doria.
Daria,
There's no reason to fight, yo.
you ain't got
I
one?
won.
Well, I do.
I didn't get to fight you in the tournament.
There is no reason to fight.
Kazama, remember, I kicked your ass back there. Komuswa!
Como swa? I didn't mean to kick you in the face. I just mean to kick your phone.
I'm on the floor.
Hey Jimmy, I got your mom pregnant. You think she should keep the baby or no?
I almost threw up. Oh, you almost made me fucking throw up.
I didn't
Oh,
mean to
God.
kick you. Didn't mean to kick you in the face. I just meant to kick your phone.
I'm losing my voice. Hey, it's me, Carl. I just got diagnosed with HIV. AIDS. You know I'm positive, dog. HIV.
You can't stop me from topping these charts.
Oh, okay, yes. Hold on.
I was just checking the mail. Get it? Checking the mail? How many records you expecting to sell with your second LP send you directly to jail? Come on, relax, guy. I like gay men, right, Ken? Give me an amen.
Amen.
Please, Lord, this boy needs Jesus. Heal this child. Help us destroy these demons. Oh, please bring me a brand new car with a prostitute with my wife sick in the hospital. Preacher, 5th grade teacher. You can't reach me. Jimmy's mom can't either. You can't teach me a goddamn thing because I watch TV and Comcast cable. You ain't able to stop these thoughts. You can't stop me from topping these charts with a brand new CD for these fucking retards. And the thing is just little old me. Mr. Old Carl Wheezer still won't leave. Hey, yo, Jimmy, you vape, man? What flavor? What flavor, man?
Blue raspberry, salt Nick.
I just got this new fucking juice for my Kanger tank. I just replaced my coil.
My kangaroo tank.
I just made a fresh coil. You want to hit that shit? It's my local vape shop. They have this new fucking vape juice called Ghostberry.
Ghostberry.
No, Jimmy. This is not a brutality. This is a fatality.
Como swa?
Oh, don't hate me because I'm beautiful. Maybe if you got rid of that yingy ass haircut, you get some bitches on your dick. Or better yet, maybe Sydney would stop fucking around with that doctor, lawyer, some shit we've been fucking with. Nigga. Hey, Christy, get down on your knees so Jesus can see your asshole. I have to return some videotapes.
I'm
gonna stab you to death and play around with your blood.
I actually don't know if Dealey's still here. She might not be.
Como
But at
swa.
this point, you know.
There's an old saying in Tennessee, I know it's also in Texas. It's like, fool me once, shame on you. You fooled me, you can't get fooled again.
You're probably
Island.
thinking you guys stayed in a cabin in the woods. No! You stayed in a cabin in the snow, because there's no trees in the Arctic.
I want that one.
How about that one? How about that one?
Don't touch that mouse. You watch Carl Wheezer chunks. Because I'm a stud. I'm ballsy. I smoke my stogie wherever I want. I don't need to listen to Jimmy's man like you. Black guys who love to fucking fuck good. You wanna fuck me at 3501 South Braeswood? Let's come on with you two, man. Get a rent and a key. Fuck me. You wanna piss on me? Try it out. You live in my
You got
apartment?
fuck
Try
me,
it out.
man.
Yeah, I need to get fucked a lot, man. You wanna
No.
move in, you can move in, but you gotta fuck me.
That's the end of the story. Good night.